So hello guys and welcome back to Flutter mobile application development series. So in the previous video we have learned how to create our first Flutter project and how to run and test our Flutter application on simulator and the web browser. So we are going to extend that topic. Now we are going to run our Flutter application on real Android phone, which is the real user case because users has to run the application ultimately on their mobile phones. So I have divided this video into multiple steps. So these are the simple steps and we will follow each step, and at the end of the video we will have our Flutter application running on our real Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free courses, material and content for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So okay guys, now let's come towards our first step, which is install Google USB drivers. So to install the Google USB drivers, we have to launch the Android Studio. So we will take the help of Android Studio for this purpose. So the Google USB driver will enable us to connect our Android phone with our PC through the USB. So Android Studio has launched the first created project. So from the tools, we will have to come towards the SDK manager. And from here, click on Android SDK from here. And we have to select the SDK tools. And from here, we will have to check and enable this Google USB driver. Click apply. Click OK, and it will take some time to download and install the USB drivers on our PC. So let's wait a while. So okay guys, our Google USB driver has been installed successfully. So click finish button, click apply, click OK. And now you can close the Android Studio. So now our second step is enable USB debugging. For this I will move towards my Android phone. So okay guys, now let's move towards your real Android phone. So I have the Samsung Galaxy A10 Android phone, and from here I will navigate towards my setting application, and from here we will have to search for the about phone, and in the about phone we will have to search for the software information, and from here we will have to search this build number. So it varies from phone to phone. You just have to search the build number in your mobile phone and you can Google it according to your mobile phone. So I have the build number in my software information. So now we will have to click 7 times on build number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now your phone will enter into the developer mode. So I already have enabled my developer option. So it was saying that developer option is already enabled. So now when you will come back into your settings, you will see the developer options here. So click on it, and from here you will see the USB debugging. So it will be in off state. You just have to enable it, and it will ask the permission allow USB debugging. So you simply have to click OK. So now it's time to connect your real Android phone with your PC. So for this you just have to take your data cable. So this data cable is also available with your charger. So you simply pull out that data cable, and in the same way the other end will be towards the system. It is asking me that I have to allow the phone access. Yes, we will have to allow the access to the phone. Now you have to disable the USB debugging and then again enable it. So allow, click OK. Taking the permission, allow USB debugging. From here, click on always allow and click allow button. So now let's come towards command prompt and launch the command prompt, and from here you will have to type the Flutter devices. So now you can see here we have our Android phone being listed as our connected devices. So in the previous version we have seen that we have only Windows, Chrome and Edge web browser connected, but now we have the mobile phone which we just have connected with it. Our second step is also completed. So now let's come towards our final step, that we have to launch the Visual Studio Code and we will have to run our application on our real Android phone. Let's do it. So guys, we just have launched the vscode and we have just launched our first application project we just have created in our previous video. So from here on the top bottom side we can see here that we have the 4 devices, and this is our Samsung A10 phone which is the real Android phone connected. So select on it and from the lib click on main dart, right click on it and select run without debugging. So it will take some time to build and run the application on Android phone, so it may take some time for the first time, and later on your changings will be reflected instantly. So let's wait a while. So okay guys, as you can see here our Flutter application is running on our Android phone and it is giving the same behavior as we have checked and tested in our previous video where we have run our application on simulator and Chrome browser. So it is giving us the same behavior and the same thing. So now let's come towards the final step. So if you are still facing the issues while connecting the real phone device with the PC, so you can install the USB drivers from the vendor of your phone. For example, I was using Samsung A10, so I can install Samsung A10 USB drivers, and from any trustable website you can install the Samsung USB drivers and then again follow the steps we have described in the video, so your phone will be connected. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. This is enough for this time. See you in next video.